Act as best scriptwrite and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content. And remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 22. Garmin Forerunner 975 exciting reviewers, massive features and price cut. YouTube https www.youtube.com watch VHSTN2 Merber 5U transcript E0 jar 0. The Garmin Forerunner 975 is poised to redefine the standards of fitness wearables, offering a blend of advanced technology, user-centric design, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or someone embarking on a fitness journey, the Forerunner 975 promises to be an indispensable companion. News.standalonesmartwatch.com E023. Design and display. A perfect fusion of style and functionality crafted with precision. The Forerunner 975 boasts a circular form factor measuring 47.2 kx, 47.2 x 3.2 mm, and weighing just 55 g, ensuring comfort during prolonged wear. The 1.4 in AMOLED display delivers vibrant visuals with a resolution of 454 x 454 pixels, protected by Gorilla Glass 3, making it both durable and easy to read under various lighting conditions. Hours 55. News.standalonesmartwatch.com standalonesmartwatch.com +1 Chinese smartwatches +1 advanced health and fitness tracking. Your personal wellness coach equipped with the latest Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor. The Forerunner 975 offers accurate heart rate monitoring, supporting features like ECG for detecting atrial fibrillation, AIB E0120. Additional sensors include SpO2 for blood oxygen saturation, a thermometer, accelerometer, and barometer, providing comprehensive insights into your health metrics. kkabarpalu.net +2 VOI +2 Android Authority +2 battery life and charging. Power that keeps up with you. Oro1 Tout 45. The Forerunner 975 is powered by a 500 mAh lithium-ion battery, offering up to 18 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 42 hours in full GPS mode. Charging is efficient with a full charge taking approximately 2 hours. While solar charging isn't available, the impressive battery life ensures extended usage without frequent recharges. Unzo 206. News.standalones smartwatch.com Chinese smartwatches connectivity and smart features. Stay connected, stay informed. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and Wi-Fi connectivity, the Forerunner 975 ensures seamless integration with your smartphone and other devices. Smart notifications keep you updated on calls, messages, and emails, while the built-in speaker and microphone enable voice commands and calls directly from the watch. News, 0240, standalonesmartwatch.com, Chinese smartwatches. Sports and activity tracking, tailored for every athlete with multi-sport modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and strength training. The Forerunner 975 caters to a wide range of activities. Advanced metrics such as V2 Max, performance condition, and real-time stamina tracking provide valuable insights to optimize your training sessions. 03-8. The watch also supports open water swim tracking and cycling power meters, making it ideal for triathletes and multi-sport enthusiasts. Safety and navigation, confidence in every step. The Forerunner 975 is designed with your safety in mind, featuring incident detection and live tracking to alert your contacts in case of emergencies. The 5 ATM water resistance rating ensures durability in various environments, including swimming and exposure terrain. 03-36. Additionally, the watch supports full-color mapping and multiband GNSS, providing accurate navigation even in challenging terrains. Kabarpalu.net News, Standalones Watch, standalonesmartwatch.com. Smartwatch Insight. Software and ecosystem. a seamless experience. Integrating with the Garmin Connect app, 0359. The Forerunner 975 offers a comprehensive platform to track your workouts, analyze health metrics, and set personalized goals. The app provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns, stress levels, and recovery, helping you make informed decisions about your fitness journey. User experience intuitive and personalized. The Forerunner 975 features a user-friendly interface with customizable watch faces, allowing you to personalize the watch to suit your style. 0429. The intuitive navigation ensures ease of use, whether you're adjusting settings during a workout or reviewing your performance metrics post-activity, pricing and availability, an investment in your health. Priced at approximately $599, the Forerunner 975 positions itself as a premium offering in the fitness wearable market. 0449. While the cost may be higher than entry-level models, the advanced features and comprehensive health tracking capabilities justify the investment for serious athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Conclusion: elevate your fitness journey with the Forerunner 975. The Garmin Forerunner 975 stands as a testament to Garmin's commitment to innovation and quality in the wearable technology space. 05-12. With its advanced health metrics, robust design, and seamless integration with the Garmin ecosystem, it offers a comprehensive solution for individuals seeking to enhance their fitness and wellness journey. Whether you're training for a marathon, engaging in triathlons, or simply aiming to lead a healthier lifestyle, the Forerunner 975 is equipped to support and elevate your endeavors.